Hi, it's October 5th, and the CFA Level 1 results from the August 2022 exam were just released yesterday. 19,103 candidates wrote the exam, 7,032 passed, which was a 37% pass rate. Next, let's look quickly at the 10-year average pass rate. So number one, for CFA Level 1 in the last 10 years, 1,066,000 candidates wrote Level 1, 41% pass rate. 10-year pass rate for Level 2, 45%, and a 10-year pass rate on Level 3 of 52%. So a couple of things about that data. Number one, 145,468 people passed Level 3 in the last 10 years versus the 1,066,000 that write Level 1. So that's less than 14% in terms of numbers. Number two, the CFA Level 2 10-year pass rate is only 45%. So 55% of the folks are failing. Why? I always tell candidates what works for Level 1 doesn't necessarily work for Level 2. So what are the differences here, and what do you need to do? So there's two things. Number one, the content gets quite a bit harder in Level 2. If we look at derivatives, we look at the accounting, everything is cranked up a notch from Level 1. Number two, the exam questions move to 3 minutes per question to answer instead of 90 seconds. There's an item set, so you read quite a lengthy paragraph with a lot of data contained, 6 questions tied to that vignette. It's a totally different style of question than doing the 90-second quick memorization. Okay, so two things: the exam format changes and the content gets tougher. So what do you need to do to become successful? Well, that's why you need to practice, practice, practice. And in the CFA Level 2 special offering with Wiley, we have over 1,500 practice questions, the study guide to guide you through the curriculum. What works for Level 1 doesn't work for Level 2. You need to stick to the curriculum, but you need to be guided through that curriculum. So we've got the videos, the study guide, the practice problems, and that will be your key to tackling those changes, the increased difficulty in content and the different exam style. Okay, so thank you for your time and have a great day.